Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a Fashom unboxing, so let's just get into it. If you haven't tried Fashom before, I'll leave a description down below, and it'll tell you all about Fashom. They send you 5 items. I believe it's a $20 styling fee per box. That $20 goes towards what you keep. I'll leave a referral link. I need coffee. I'll leave a referral link down below if you want to try it, and I think you get your styling fee maybe free. I can't remember. It'll be in the description down below. So here we go, Fashom. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open the box. Here we go. Oh, come on, box. All right. It's happening. It's getting open. This tape is very, there we go, resistant. But nothing a screwdriver can't handle. All right, here we go. It says, thank you. Self-love is the best outfit. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, and then if you keep everything, you get 30% off. If you keep 3 to 4 items, you get 15% off. It used to be 20% off, but they switched it. All right. So they send you the invoice, has all the prices, and a little note. Hi Rachel, and thank you for styling with Fashom again. I would like to apologize first for the delay in getting your preview over to you. It did take longer than usual. There were a few bumps in the road for some orders due to supply chain issues, and I didn't want to give you anything that you wouldn't like. Thankfully though, we just got in a few boxes today. Unfortunately, we didn't have any pull-on work pants delivered to us / had any in stock. That's okay. But one of my favorites here could be the Louisa frill sleeve top because it can be worn easily with the seamless straight fit midi skirt for a pulled together look. Can't wait to hear what you think. Kristen XO. Thank you, Kristen. I appreciate it. I know sometimes stuff is delayed. It was just a little dismaying because my box before that kind of had that same issue, so it's okay. All right, we're gonna flip her over and look at the bundle. It's sweater season. So we have some beautiful sweaters in there. Look how pretty she is. And there's a skirt too. So let's get that bundle open. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. First up, we have this kind of plummy top with some puff sleeves that I thought was cute. It has a V-neck. They send you a preview of items and you can say, yeah, I want that. Or if you don't like anything, then they'll pick other things for you. Sorry, I'm hearing my husband downstairs. So I thought that was cute, just kind of a simple top. I liked it. Next we have another simple top, but a staple. It's super soft. And it's just a gray little V-neck sweater. Also kind of has some balloon sleevage there. So, also nice, classic, simple. You know, sometimes you need those like basics in your wardrobe. I got this top from Kohl's. I'm on a Kohl's kick. If you can't tell, my last 3 tops have been from Kohl's when I've done videos. And next we have this star sweater, which I wasn't sure about, but you never know. This is by, I'll go over like the names and the prices at the end. But it's by Marled. So it's white, and then it has those kind of navy stars in it, stitched. And then it has the, I'm guessing, navy on the inside because you can see. Look at it. I like that. I kind of like the inside better. It's kind of cute. Okay. So just a big chunky star sweater. We'll try it. I usually don't like, you know, like kind of gimmicky, like a big star pattern kind of thing like that. But I thought I'd try it. And then I was excited about this one, but I see it doesn't really have any stretch, so it's going to be a hit or miss. But this is the one that has like the frills on the sleeves. You can kind of see in that pattern there. But I thought it was very fall. It has a frill in the back as well. Oh, it's like a faux, oh, it's like a full, like, surplice top. So we'll try that. Does it have an elastic waist? Bottom, I mean. The back is elastic. So we'll try it. We'll see. It's not stretchy though. And then last we have this skirt. Just a classic black midi skirt. And in the back it has a little slit. So that'd be nice for work. It's knit. It has some stretch to it. No pockets. So we'll see. All right. There goes my text message. Let's try everything on. Here's a top from Kohl's, by the way. Adorable. Junior section, again. I didn't really have anything cream like this, so I thought it was cute. It has a longer back and a twist front and real buttons in the front too. But it's like knit enough that the buttons aren't coming undone. Yeah, no buttons, so real cute. Let's try on the other stuff that, you know, I actually got in this box. Here's the first top. I really like the sleeves, how it has that little kind of rouging puff wrinkliness there. Wrinkliness. We'll tuck it in. I feel a sneeze coming on, so time is short. Okay. I think that's really cute. Tucked in, you could even, you know, tie it in a knot kind of thing too. You could tuck it in and have a skirt on, like that black skirt. I do wear a lot of skirts to work, so this could be a nice like top for it because I usually like they come up here. And then, because this is the only part I have an issue with is the length. So I feel like it would be nicer, kind of that length, you know? But I like the color, I like the sleeves, so this is a maybe. Let's try on some more. Here is the gray sweater. I like the length of this one, I think that's nice. I like the little balloon sleeve, it's so soft. I like the V-neck. This is one when I saw it in the preview, I was like, oh, that's so, you know, it's a little boring, basic, but I think it's really nice. I like gray. I don't know. It has a drop shoulder right there. It does have a loose string though. So no, there's no hole. There's no hole. It's fine. Just throw that over there. So yeah, I think this is nice. It's really soft if I haven't said that already. I think it's cute. So this one is a maybe as well. We'll see. I like this one I think better than that first one. Just with, you know, comfort wise, it's cute. It's basic. It's basic. You're basic. Alright, let's do more. Alright, this actually isn't bad. It's kind of reminds me of like David Rose a little bit. I might like this one even more than the gray one because I don't have anything like it. I have a lot of gray sweaters, I will say. It has a little slit on the side, has stars all around. I don't know, it's kind of cute. Is it cute? My friend Nicole at work goes, one time I was wearing a dress and she goes, I like your dress, is it cute? And she meant to say new, so that's what we say at work all the time. I like your shirt, is it cute? It's kind of like wintry vibes, like with the, you know, I'm not a big fan of navy, but you know, like kind of wintry blues and whites and snow and things like that. Is it kind of cute? All right, this is the front runner so far. Who knew? Let's try on the last two. All right, here's the ruffle top. I actually really like it. It is a little more fitted through here, and then it is a little lower, but it's sewn right here. There's not like a snap, so that's nice, so I know it's not gonna come apart. I think it's nice for like a dressier kind of thing. I like the ruffle back there. You see that ruffle? I wouldn't wear it to work though because I know I could just wear a cami under it, but I don't really like that look on me. When something's a V-neck and you put a straight line across it, I don't really like that on myself. But I think it's cute. But since I wouldn't wear it to work, I don't think I'd have many other occasions to wear it besides maybe like a date night or something, but who has those anymore? Am I right? So let's try it with the skirt. Here it is with the skirt. I'm not a huge fan of the skirt. I wouldn't wear a skirt and then have my shirt be way down here because it makes your legs look shorter, because the skirt's way up here. So if you wear it like that, that gives more definition to your waist, you know? But then, because this is a fitted skirt, real time, it, you know, kind of accentuates the stomach. Who knew Sean Connery was here? Too much for me. But it's a nice length, you know, has a nice little slit on the back there. So, it looks nice together like this. I just rolled up the elastic part a bit, but it's just not it on the tummy area for me. All right, so it's looking, there's my light, hey! Real time. It's looking like the star sweater is the winner here today, folks. So let's go over prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these types of unboxings. Prices. Here we go. I think you guys should take a shot every time I mess with my hair because I do it all the time. It's fun. All right, so the Philosophy Leah V-neck sweater in gray, $52. So I'm not gonna pay $52 for a basic sweater like that. However, the marled Sia star sweater is also $52. And I think I like it enough for that much. And I do have some credit as well, so thank you guys for signing up and using my link. I get credit when you do. I appreciate it when you order a box and everything. It's a really thick sweater. I think it's gonna be really nice throughout the winter. I would even wear it to work. It's whimsical, okay? All right, so that's $52, I'm gonna keep it. And my $20 down fee will go towards that as well, so I already paid that, so might as well use it towards something. The Max Studio Louisa Frill sleeve top, $46. And the People of Leisure Lino Rouge sleeve top, that was like the purpley one, the first one, $42. And the Zach and Rachel Sima straight fit midi skirt is $48. So the whole box subtotal is $240. If you kept everything, you get 30% off, making it $168 for the whole box. So it's also really nice because it gives you the prices of if you were to keep, you know, everything, it gives you the final 30% off price, or if you were to keep 3 of them, 3 or 4, then it has that 15% off price too. So that's really nice how it lays it out. You don't have to do the math in your head. So, all right, keeping one sweater, I'd say it's a successful box. People always think I have tons of clothes, which I do, but I usually only keep like 1 or 2 things from each box, you know? So it's really, it's over time. It's not like, oh, I'm keeping 5 things. Oh, I'm keeping 5 things. It's like 1 thing, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.